What's up, guys? Your boy Peezy, and today I'm back at y'all with another video. This video will be basically the basics of reselling for all you newly born little boys. Alright, I got y'all. As always, if you're new here, please consider leaving a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I upload weekly Supreme resale guides as well as sneaker release guides and how to cop videos. Now there's pretty much three main platforms that you can resell on or sell on.
StockX, GOAT, and eBay?
Nigga, you're Reddit.
I got that right? I'm a fucking dog, nigga. If I was reading it, why would I say it out of order?
I don't know.
You know.
These are eBay, StockX, and GOAT. The fees on eBay are the worst out of all of them. The amount eBay charges depends on the object's price, the format and category, and how you're doing as a seller. For StockX, they have levels. The more sales you do, your level increases. So level 1 StockX sellers fees are 9.5%. Level 2 is 9, level 3 is 8.5, and level 4 is 8%. Then finally, GOAT's fees are 9.5% plus $5 plus 2.9%. There are no levels. You can increase your fees by doing bad though. For example, if you sold new shoes but sent old shoes, then your points as a seller will go down. If you do this too many times, they could eventually kick you off the platform. StockX also has a similar thing. Now, eBay is a really risky platform to sell really expensive sneakers or items in general. There are lots of scammers that will return it to you even though you don't accept returns, and then inside the box will be like a bag of rocks or something like that. Then eBay will inevitably not believe you in the long run. So it's basically just risky. Just be careful on eBay. StockX and GOAT have security measures that prevent things like this from happening. There are no returns at all, and they also fight back charges for you. Basically, the sum of all of this is that on StockX and GOAT, you don't have to worry about anything. The basic items that you will need is tape, a printer, scissors, and a box. StockX and GOAT mainly use UPS, but if you do live in an area that does not have UPS in a certain area or near you, you can switch it to USPS. In that case, I'm sure you can use free boxes that you can order on the USPS website or get in store. However, UPS does not have any boxes that you can get on website or in store. What I would suggest is that you use the boxes that the shoes came in. Just make sure to take off any previous labels. StockX and eBay are the only two platforms that you can sell Supreme clothing or accessories on. You will need a PayPal account for these platforms, but don't worry, you can transfer the money on that PayPal to your bank account after. On eBay, if you're just starting out, they'll hold your money to make sure that you're a legitimate seller, not a scammer. Then after a couple sales, you'll instantly get the money transferred into your PayPal. Just make sure in your listings you're as specific as possible in your pictures and in your description. This will all help you in the long run. There's much more to this, but I don't want to make this video too long. Just stay in touch with the Peezy channel. I might even drop a part 2 or even a part 3, okay? Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of this information. Eventually, I'll be going into how to get multiples of the same items, how to cop bots, and how to use proxy. Basically, all the good stuff you guys want to know about. Thank you for watching. It's been your boy Peezy, guys, and I'm out. Fuck. Bitch. Shit.